day 2 here in Rome and magbe-breakfast muna kami ni Hobby. We are going to pack our luggage kasi we are going to check out and then lilipat kami sa isang hotel for tonight. Kaka-check out lang namin ni Hobby sa hotel and we are going to a very special place that we are so excited about, which is the Vatican City. I've never been to Vatican City, to be honest. Even si Hobby, hindi pa siya nakakarating sa Vatican. And so ayun, dumaan muna kami sa isang church malapit dito sa hotel, and oh my gosh, ang ganda ng architectures talaga ng churches dito sa Rome. And I just found out that there are 930 churches in total. I don't know kung exact ba yung research ko, but 930 churches here in Rome, and you can visit a church a day for almost 3 years. O, di ba nakakaloka pag ganun? Anyways, we are here in Papo, dove siamo? Piazza Repubblica, yes. Ang ganda. And we are going to catch a metro going to Vatican City. Look what I found here in Rome. It's Jollibee. Ayan. We will going to definitely eat there for lunch. Right, Papi? Right?
Anche massa.
Kakain kami dyan mamaya. Alam mo naman, miss natin ang Jollibee. Vida ang saya. Okay, let's continue walking now.
Bello. Sì. Come si legge, amore?
Shopping. Cosa?
Chopin.
Ah,
Ma mi sa che hai ragione tu in questo caso. Un lemon gracciato per mangiare. Beh, ovviamente negoziato del Roma Sport.
inay ko, ang daming tao. Well, expected naman natin na maraming tao dito sa Vatican. May
Sì, presto.
no? Grabe, ang daming tao ngayon. And today is Sunday, so
It's very
expected na crowded yung entrance ng Vatican City. So, ayun. Well, dedicated naman para makapasok sa Vatican City. It is ganda. Buti na lang hindi umuulan. Perfetto na nung piolo din.
Già, per ora.
Hindi. Aspettiamo. We're almost there naman na. Yun yung entrance. Ayan. And, anong oras na ba? Oh, what time is it?
Ah?
Oras.
Non quarto alle 11.
Okay. It's 10:45. So, maaga pa naman. Sana makita natin si Pope. We are almost in St. Peter's Square. Oh my God! Ayan, we are first in line na. And ang bilis lang nung line actually. So, nandito kami, siguro wala pang 10 minutes. Nasa harap na kami. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Are going to pass through security check before entering the Vatican City, and which is a good thing. Kaya ayan yung security check. So okay, security check muna. We just made it to the Vatican City. Oh my God!
With the sun.
Oh my God, ang ganda! Hindi ako My God, napapanood ko lang to sa sa TV, and now I'm here. Oh my God. Ang ganda.
Bello, eh?
Yeah.
Assurdo.
Tapos umaraw pa. My God, such a blessing. Oh my God.
Veramente bello, eh?
Yeah, please. Tapos umaraw pa.
Bella addirittura.
Ha?
Era addirittura una... Non so.
Sì, sì.
Running tour.
Are in front of the St. Peter Basilica. At dito, dyan nagmamass yung Pope. We are now entering the St. Peter's Basilica.
Mistero della fede.
So this place is a small chapel inside the St. Peter's Basilica. And unfortunately, this is a place of prayer and sabi nila hindi pwede ang phone and camera. So kakalabas lang namin dun sa chapel and I've never been so emotional while praying inside the church. Ewan ko kasi I feel so close to him siguro kaya siguro ganun ako ka-emotional. I was crying and I was praying actually. I was praying and suddenly my tears fell down. Hindi ko siya ine-expect siguro dahil naandito ako sa mga pinaka-holy na church in the world and ayun,
The church.
the church, the holy church. Kaya siguro ganun ako ka-emotional. We met a photographer here inside the basilica and he offered us to take a picture. Ang ganda ng pictures. Happy? Happy found the photographer.
Yes.
Thank you. Tapos malapit pa kami sa altar ng St. Peter's Basilica. Ganda.
Ah, not bad.
Oo.
Sono servito pieno.
This church is very meaningful to Hubby kasi San Pietro Basilico is St. Peter's
First Pope.
Basilico and yung name ni Hubby is Simon Pietro. So, very meaningful sa kanya tong church. The Angelus or Sunday Mass is going on right now, but we cannot find Pope Leo. So, hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya.
E ogni giorno della nostra vita sono visitati da Lui e attraversati dal suo amore. Benedicat vos Mater, et Filius, et Spiritus Sanctus. Amen. In particolare saluto il coro parrocchiale della Cospi in Bulgaria. Il gruppo di
We finally saw the Pope. Even though ang layo niya, but his presence, I can feel his presence. Everyone, nakakaloka tong si Habi. Kakalabas lang namin sa Vatican City and nakapagbitaw na agad siya ng bad word. Hindi porket kakalabas mo at kakatapos mo lang ng Angelus, unlimited bad word ka na. Hoy!
Benedizione del Papa.
Benedizione del Papa. Kahit na, hindi pwedeng palipas mo naman ng isang araw, diba? Kakaloka tong si Habi.
Avevo paura che finissimo prima, no?
Sì, sì, sì. Ah, siamo usciti proprio la benedizione proprio dell'Angelus.
Sì.
And of course, after ng Mass, may pa-Jollibee.
Facciamo chicken dough spaghetti.
Sì. Adesso qua.
Poi
Drinks, io e un gravy per noi. Due. Okay. We've got mango pie, yum burger, ano pa bago? Chicken tenders, and then spaghetti and chicken. Tag-isa kami ni Happy. Happy kid. O, diba?
che buoni.
So excited!
Voilà.
Ang binibay.
Masarap.
Bye, Jollibee!
Thanks for your service for your country.
Okay, we are going back to the hotel now para kunin yung luggages then check in sa kabilang hotel. So, I'll see you on the next hotel. Nice hotel. Here we go. 133. This is our room. Hi, Papi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ang cute ng room. Very fresh. Ayan yung bed. Sakto lang. Queen size. And then, surely. Tapos, ito yung room. May terrace, Papi. Show them the terrace. Ang macho naman. Sure. Yan.
Just
All the work. Pogi-pogi. Ayan. Let's go.
fondamentalmente tanto caldo che mi sta scaldando la gamba.
Sì.
Mi fa paura, mami. Non mi piace questo scesso.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, first time kumain ni Habi ng peach mango pie from Jollibee. Oh my God! How is it? Sarap.
My God.
Okay, we are walking here in, dove siamo?
Repubblica.
Piazza Repubblica, and we are going to Terrazza? Altare? Della Patria.
Della Patria.
Yeah. So, it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon now. And we are going there. Doon lang kami pupunta ngayon kasi tignan mo naman, maulan na naman. And then, uuwi na kami after. No, I mean, magdi-dinner na. Early dinner. Tapos gano'n. Decaf with soy milk. O, diba? Very healthy girl. We are going to Altare di Patria. So, ang ganda na ng weather kaninang umaga and now it's really raining hard. Tignan nyo naman, kaloka. Kaya nagpalit din ako ng shoes kasi nung pauwi na kami, umuulan ng bongga. So, luckily, I have a spare shoes. Buhos na ulan at yung mundo, panuring tuluyan. Tulang na pag-ahos mo, di mapipigil ang puso ko. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka. Lakas ng ulan, mami! Pero we're here in, come si chiama? Here. Altare
Della Patria.
della Patria, yes. We are here in Altare della Patria. I'll just write it down na lang. Anyways, ang lakas ng ulan. My God, siguro maganda dito pag sunny. Anyways, homeland, yeah. We're here.
Non cadere.
Diba? Papasok tayo. Ayan, the sky is clearing up. My God, every time talaga na pupunta ako sa isang place, hindi umuulan. Pero yung paglakad ko, mami, basang-basa yung shoes ko. Even hubby shoes. Oh, diba? Nagpalit na ako ng shoes niyan, ha? And the jacket is also wet, like me. Charis. Okay, let's go up. We're going up, up, up.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Hello, Rome. Ganda. Can you see the floor, guys? Oh my God.
Questo le guardi.
Yes. Ganda. Was my burning something dito? Let's proceed with our walking tour in the altar of the homeland. Ganda, pero nakakapagod siya. Taray! Another stair! Look. Diba? Okay, let's proceed.
Eller per la piove.
And as you probably already know, another stair. Ayan. Super rain pa siya. Oh my God. Ayan.
Era maschio il cavallo.
Qua, è quasi freddo. Manca qualcosa.
Sì.
Devo prenderlo qua. No, scherzo.
So, dito, kitang-kita mo din yung Colosseum from here. Yan. Andun yung Colosseum. Andito din yung Roman Forum. Ayan. Ganda. Ang taas na namin ngayon. Right, Habs? Ganda. We are on the other side of the Altare della Patria, and you can see the whole Rome from here. Oh my God, ang ganda. Yes, and we are going down now, and we are going back to the hotel kasi basang-basa na yung shoes namin. We need to change our shoes. So yeah, let's go. Okay, this is the ruin of Rome. As you can see, ayan. May mga sculpted images dyan sa beam na yan. But unfortunately, I cannot tawag dito, I cannot zoom in. So, pero ang ganda niya. Okay. The rain stopped. Fortunately. Pero our shoes are so wet. So let's go. Oh. Going out for dinner right now. It's almost 7. Late na kami lumabas ni Javi. Naka-idlip kasi kami ni Javi kanina. So, ayun. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, we are back here again at Al Piave Resort.
Il Piave, perché a noi ci piace Veneto.
Benissimo. Yeah, this is the menu. Here's the restaurant, by the way. Ay, kung nag-usap yan. Worse. Ang sarap kasi niya talaga. Mainit-init pa. Tapos yung tiramisu. You wanna try it out?
Masarap. Last bite.
Good evening, everyone, again. We are walking right now. Wala, naglalakad-lakad lang here, malapit sa hotel. Kasi Parang naparami ako ng kain. Have a wonderful dinner. Ang sarap ng food talaga. Yung staff ng Alpiave Restaurante are so friendly. And, ayun, nabusog ako ng sobra. Ang sarap talaga ng carbonara. Mamimiss ko to sobra. Anyways, it was a great way to end the night kasi tomorrow we are leaving Rome.
Oh,
Good morning!
morning.
Good morning, everyone. Last day here in Rome and ayun nga, aalis na kami for today. It's 7:40 in the morning and we have a train to catch at 9:55. Oo. And ayun, mag-breakfast lang kami ni hubby. Then we are checking out. We already packed our bags last night and ayun, we are ready to go. So, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Let's go! Very cute. So ayan, nakapag-check out na kami ni hubby. We are walking towards the train station now.
Roma Termini.
Yes, and we are here in front of Piazza della Repubblica again, just like the first night. There's also a basilica right in front of the Piazza della Repubblica. Basilica right here. It's kind of ruined, but it gives a beautiful impression of the basilica itself. Hubby's there taking picture. And that's Rome, everyone. At malapit lang siya sa train station. So, papunta na kami doon ngayon kasi we have a train to catch. Although, meron pa kaming 30 minutes to wait for the train, pero titignan muna namin yung Starbucks kasi yung brother ko nag-a-ask ng souvenir from Starbucks ng Rome. So, hopefully, meron akong mahanap na yung ina-ask niya. So, let's see.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour, paint a dream like you. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away, treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just say playing these games. Love drifts soft in the light. Come on, meet me at the poolside. Lay to white.
We arrived 10 minutes ago in our city and hindi muna kami uuwi because we are going to my husband's parents' house kasi kukunin namin si Mango. Kasi doon siya nagstay sa mga parents niya habang nasa Rome kami. Okay, hey dolls! That's it for Rome Adventure. I hope you liked our video. And please watch the first part of our Rome vlog as well, which I uploaded. Now I'm just editing the second part. And I forgot to do an outro actually. So here's me doing an outro because I don't know how to end the video. So yeah, here's Mango. So nakalimutan kong gumawa ng outro actually because when we came back from Rome, sinundo namin yung mga dogs namin and we were so tired na nakalimutan kong gumawa ng last part ng video. So here's me doing this clip now. And anyways, that's it guys. I hope you liked our video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye dolls!
Water is close.